This is Craig Strickler for Strickler Jewelers. A couple years ago I had one of those infomercial moments when I tried to cut a tomato with a dull knife. Now all of our knives have a razor sharp edge because Tammy and I invested in a commercial grade, state-of-the-art knife sharpening equipment. And now Strickler Jewelers offers knife sharpening to all their customers. Bring us your kitchen knives, pocket knives, or hunting knives, and we'll put a razor sharp edge on your knives too. Knife sharpening. Not a typical service offered by most jewelry stores. But then again, we're not your typical jeweler. Hope to see you soon.